Alright, so from the past 4 days, I'm getting this particular question a lot of times. Which is the best dash cam around the price of 10,000 rupees? Well, I'll give you the straight up answer. There are only two dash cams which you can consider at that price point. The 70mm A500S Dual and the NEXDIGITRON Prime. These two cameras perform the best and are kind of the best dash cams under that price bracket or around that price bracket. But hey, listen to me. For a camera that comes at a price of about 11,500 in the current going on Amazon sale, you can get it at a price of about 8,999. That's close to 9,000 rupees. That's a super awesome grab deal, and I really don't think you should miss this chance to get this dash cam. I'm talking about none other than the 70mm A500S, the dual channel variant. So what the A500S offers you is a 1944p front resolution with a 1080p Full HD. It gets a Starvis IMX335 sensor. It has got Wi-Fi, it has got ADAS, GPS, parking mode and whatnot. So this should be your ideal consideration for the camera under 10,000 price bracket. The A500 although gets a 1944p resolution, whereas the NEXDIGITRON Prime gets a 1440p resolution. Also, for the fact that the A500 gets a screen, the Prime does not. So very minor changes here and there, and that also is reflected in the price as well. So if you want a complete value for money package, the A500S will definitely suit you the best. And of course, if you want to spend a little less than 10,000 and go around the price of about only 7,000 rupees, you can get the NEXDIGITRON Prime. The A500S generally trends at a price of 11,499, but in the Amazon sale, it is priced down to 10,999. Again, on top of it, you can get some credit card cashback and discounts, which effectively bring down the price to about 9,000 rupees for the dual channel variant and about 7,000 rupees for the single channel variant. The NEXDIGITRON Prime, on the other hand, generally comes at a price of 8,499, but in the Amazon sale, it's priced at 8,049. On top of it, which you can get credit card discounts and cashback, which all add up to bringing the price down to 7,200 to 300 rupees. Now this is a deal which you should not miss if you are looking for that perfect dash cam under or around the price bracket of 10,000 rupees. And no matter which camera you buy it within this Amazon sale and save yourself some money, your hard-earned money. Don't let it go waste. The links to purchase the cameras is given below in the description, along with its accessories such as the CPL filter and the hardware kit as well. So just head down, click on the link, purchase the camera and finish the story. So that was about the A500 and the NEXDIGITRON Prime. But what about some other cool dash cameras which also come around that price bracket? Well, let's talk about the cheapest dual channel dash cam, which you can get close to the point of 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. Yes, I'm talking about the DDPAI N1 Dual, and this camera gets a 1296p front resolution and a 1080p rear resolution. This camera generally trends at a price of 6,999, but in this Amazon sale it's priced at about 6,649, and again on top of it you can get credit card discounts and cashbacks, which bring the price effectively down to 5,999 or close to 6,000 rupees. That's a very strong deal for a dual channel dash cam, close to the point of 5,000 bucks. Don't miss this opportunity if you are really looking forward to get a dual channel dash cam around the price bracket of 5,000 rupees. So the next dash cam which I would recommend, and specifically talking if you are looking for a reverse assist dash cam or a mirror dash cam, the DDPAI MOLA E3 is simply the choice for you. This is the most value for money mirror dash cam which has been released recently, and it generally trends at a price of 9,999. That's about 10,000 bucks. Now there's no straight up discount by the dealership for this sale, but you can get cashback and discount using your Amazon ICICI card and bring down the price to 9,000 rupees. That's a super cool price for the MOLA E3 and definitely a perfect opportunity for you to grab this dash cam. The MOLA E3 gives you a 1440p front and a 1080p resolution similar to the NEXDIGITRON Prime. It also gives you the reverse camera, reverse camera assist and many other features such as a touchscreen panel, Wi-Fi and also 128GB card support. So the next dash cam which I would recommend has been very popular lately and has been doing a lot of rounds. I'm talking about the Philips GOSURE dashcam. Now this is a single channel dashcam, gets a straight up 1080p resolution, gets some ADAS features, driver fatigue alert system, it gets Wi-Fi and gets the strong backing of the Philips brand. Now everybody likes Philips, don't they? Now in this Amazon sale, the camera, which generally is priced at 5,999, comes at a price of about 5,749, and on top of it you can add the cashbacks and discounts and bring down the price effectively close to 5,000 rupees. So if you are someone who loves Philips products and you want to get this dash cam, this is the best opportunity that you can get this dash cam at a low budget price and save yourself some really good money. So these were my top 5 picks for the price bracket of 10,000 in and around the 10,000 bracket. But there's also a bonus dash cam which I would recommend if you like to consider this, the 70mm A200. Yes, this too has been a recently launched new dash cam by 70mm, and this gives you a 1080p resolution with HDR. It also gives you a screen, a parking mode, low battery protection, and of course 128GB card support. The camera, which generally trends at 7,999, is now priced at 7,599, and if you add the cashback and credit card discounts, you can get this camera close to 6,500 to 6,800 rupees. Again, a very good discount for someone who is looking for those specific specifications, for the specific requirements in a dash cam around the price bracket of 6,000 bucks. So that's it. These were my top 5 picks for the dash cameras in and around the price of 10,000, and I've cleared your doubt regarding the question of what's the best dash camera around the 10,000 price bracket. So I hope this video has helped you in answering that particular question, and also hoping this video has saved you a lot of money. And in case if it did, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. The links to each of those pages is also given in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.